All right, I'm Robert Gary, and I'm going to be going over my Chisel and Anvil application. And this is just going to be a condensed video. My first video ran pretty long, so I'm just making a shorter one. Here we go. I'll run it for you guys just to show all the features and show you that everything works. Takes a second here. Here's the load screen. All right, so here's my application. Um, I used a tab view. You can go through all the tabs. You can see that all these work. Go back to the home page, our About Us view. I just included a picture of the builders, some information on their business, and there's the Contact Us social links that you can go to. Here's a look at the portfolio, just to get you an idea of some of the work that they do, and our Contact Us page. Here's a map view. This is supposed to zoom in to Hagerstown. I don't know if this is a runtime error or if it would be different when actually using a phone. There's a call us feature. You can't call in the simulator. And email us. Type in some stuff here. So as far as for collaboration, you can hit send there. It'll come up. It's already preloaded to Chisel and Anvil. And if you wanted to input a picture of, say, something you wanted to quote on or anything, you can just hit the insert photo right there. And I'll send this just to show you guys that it sends. There it is, mail sent. Go back to the Contact Us. Here we have the social links. These are linked up to the business's Facebook and their website. I think finally, the one kind of minor issue I have is in the directions. This is linked up. There's Hagerstown. They didn't want to put their actual address in, so I just did it for Hagerstown for the time being. You type in your start, wherever you want to start from, and it would print you out directions to Hagerstown. The only issue I'm having is when you hit cancel, it doesn't take you back to the app. I think that's a matter of adding in a back button, maybe. I'm not too sure, but that's where I'm at on that. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the app. I wanted to try to condense this. Here's just a look at the main.storyboard. Here's my app. I used a tab view or tab bar control, and you had to set relationships to where you wanted each of these tabs to go. You can see here, this goes to the home page. Here's the home page. What I used in here, all your tools are down here. There's image view, labels, buttons. I used an image view, buttons for the home page. For the About Us page, I believe this is a text view is what I used here. Buttons, image view. For the Contact Us page, I used a map view, which is also, you can find down in here. I had to load in the framework and also the framework for to be able to email, which when you click the email button, it sends you to this page. And these are text fields and a text view, and these are all found in here. And for our social links, I used a table view and just labels and an image. And finally, for the portfolio, I used a collection view, and in the cells, I used image views. I'll just kind of show you guys, say, let's go we'll do button, put a button here, we'll call it we'll call it project for now. Zoom that out a little bit. Okay. And all of these are view controllers. I'll add one in here. Let's put this up. Okay. So say we just wanted to add an image. Scale this down. And we'll make this image where's it at? There we go. We'll just make it of Clayton. We'll assign where, there we go. Okay, so we'll assign this project this button when you click it to go to that view. And I'll just run this. Click on project and it'll take you to that view. Now this is a little, actually no, I guess that's how it is in that. But you can resize it to however you wanted. You can add a label. Say I could call this button Clayton, and it could bring up a picture of Clayton, add in text field, and can give some information about him. That just kind of shows you how it works with the view controllers and everything. In the other video, I went through more of my code. This is for the portfolio. You can see how I add an array with all the images, and it will go through each image and add a cell and add the image for however many are up in the array. So that's why you can see how there's just the one here, but with the code when you run it, you remember all of them filled in throughout here. And the other video goes through my code a little more, but I just wanted to give you kind of a short and condensed visual of my app, kind of a little bit of what I learned. And yeah, overall, this was a great learning experience. I learned a lot about Swift and just kind of solidified some of the coding knowledge I already had before within Visual Basic and some C. And yeah, here's my app. Thank you for your time.